Hi, I'm Taylor with BTOD.com. Today we're going to do an unboxing and assembly of the refurbished Steelcase Leap V2 chair with a side-activated cylinder from BTOD.com. For more content like this, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media for exclusive content and behind the scenes from BTOD.com. Let's get into the unboxing and assembly. Place the base on its casters on the floor. Remove the red cap from the cylinder. You will notice that there is a stop sticker on the red cap. It is important to follow these instructions to properly assemble your chair. Drop the cylinder into the base. Make sure the tab on the side-activated cylinder aligns with the seat height lever. The cylinder will insert into the hole on the bottom of the chair's mechanism. Set the chair on the cylinder and press down on the seat until the chair is secure. Your chair is now ready to use. And that was the unboxing and assembly of the refurbished Steelcase Leap V2 chair with the side-activated cylinder from BTOD.com. If you do realize that your seat height lever isn't working, we suggest that you remove the seat from the cylinder and realign the seat so the tab on the top of the cylinder is facing the seat height lever. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.